It started.
Ah,
Ah!
you're jealous and I'm gonna get drunk. No, I'm just gonna drink a little.
Oh, I invited you, by the way.
So it's like really easy. It's really easy. So you're in the game right now.
I am in the lobby.
You're in the lobby. You can't just start the game?
Oh yeah, I probably can, yeah. I'll go ahead and start.
Stupid.
Stupid! I win. I won.
Pee hee. Pee hee hee to electric boogaloo. You forgot the other G. Boogaloo.
uh, uh,
Alright, I'm in.
uh,
Oh, don't do it, but apparently there are extra, like, you can spawn in other Kelvins.
An army to do my bidding.
This dude had him like chopping down trees and collecting logs and shit, and you can see like one tree falls and another and another and another just all at once. Like, oh my god!
Oh, I'm putting my turn dogs in the oven.
Like fucking ants, dude.
Yeah, little colony. I don't think they know how to open doors though, so.
What?
Kelvins.
Yeah, they do.
They do.
Oh, dude, I found out. Okay, so you remember how we put locks on the doors?
Yes.
You can do that on the inside. See,
Woo!
before it only let me do it on the outside, but apparently you can get it to go on the inside and just lock the door from the inside. So like whenever like the assholes would raid my camp, I would just fucking lock the door and they just sit outside and stare at me while I shoot arrows at them. And then I would, in return, after they were dead, run outside, cut off their heads, and put them on pikes outside in the front.
This game brings out the fucking schizo.
It does no, it's not schizo, Nathan. It's survival. It's not about brutality, Nathan. It's to send a message.
Like the
It's to send
fucking,
a message. This
like
is
the,
what's gonna happen to you if you try and hurt me.
it's like the
You're gonna be
fucking
like all your little
cartel.
friends over there. Some of them are going up there and going like, "Holy shit, that's my brother."
Now that I know you can eat the heads, there won't be anything left.
Okay, I don't know. I don't know if you can eat them, but I can put them on the campfire and they cook.
Okay, I'll figure it out. Eat the brain, gain the
But what I
brain.
did was I charred the head. I charred the heads and then put them on pikes.
Awesome.
But then I'm like, it's taking too long, so I just start stabbing them on the pikes.
Alright, I'm in the game now. Wait,
Oh, you
hold
are?
on. Hold on, it's in that first, like, picking up the backpack scene. In the bag of
Okay.
emergency only. Yes?
Why can't I skip this? Oh. My dumbass was pressing X instead of S. Hey, we're in the mountains again!
I'm reviving Kevin.
Why do you keep calling him Kevin?
I think, like, my brain is saying the L is too much effort.
Okay. Now here's the scary part, Nathan.
Yes?
This is what I don't know what to do. I think if you enable it, I can use them too, but I'm not sure. Let me
Alright.
try.
Follow me. Alright. Kelvin, activate cheats.
Yeah, I can do them.
Okay. How do I do it?
I'm not telling you.
No, actually.
Okay, so press escape, and then real quick type in cheat stick. You gotta do it quick. And then just hit escape. There's no code, like there's no like where to type it in. You just type it in as soon as you get in the menu. Did you do it?
It's not doing anything.
No, I did. It did it. Now exit, press escape, and then press F1. But okay, so just type in God mode on. That's the only thing you need to do. Except I'm going to do one extra. Only because I'm the greatest. And I need more.
They can't stop me now. I'll hack every single one of them up.
I just got a better axe.
Oh.
Let's see how much better it is. That's a lot better.
Epic. I'm gonna play legitly.
All I gave myself was the axe. So
Huh.
it makes chopping down trees easier.
Oh, I get that. That would make chopping bodies up easier.
Oh no. Well, no, I'm gonna let you find that. There's a little secret item in the game that's fucking amazing.
How do I get
It's
the
great
axe?
for hacking them up. Oh, you just click add item, space, modern axe, all one word.
This is gonna make chopping bodies up a lot easier.
Hey Nathan.
Yes?
Bye.
What?
No, okay, I'm gonna turn that off.
So much goofy shit in this game. I love it.
Oh my god, dude, there is.
Just
You wanna
gonna.
kill Kelvin?
Nah, he's useful. He can be our slave.
I'm gonna spawn in my own Kelvin.
That's fair,
No,
actually.
no,
Oh,
no. All right, let's make our way down, dude.
hold on. I gotta wait for the book to open. Okay, now.
Let's make our way down, Nathan.
Hold on. I see a rabbit.
No, don't worry about it.
Okay, I chopped it up with an axe.
You want to make the base where I had mine?
I like slid down, hit a bump, and just bounced.
Really?
Yeah.
That happened to me. So I think you're lying. We're gonna make the base where my house was
Epic.
in my world.
And we
'Cause
won't have to
it's-
worry about anything. We'll be safe.
Yeah. Also, it's like right next to the stun baton, which I didn't find out until
Oh,
what's her
wow.
name showed it to me.
It does make chopping logs a lot easier. Jesus.
Why are you chopping down trees right now?
Just seeing how easy it was.
Okay, you can wait for that.
No, I can't.
You're stinky.
You're smelly. And
I hear
together,
shit
we
running
make
around.
poop.
Oh, I still need to open up that thing. Hey, I know what to do, game. You don't have to fucking tell me what to do every time.
It's cause it's tutty tutty.
Fucking annoying.
Yeah. Honestly, they should just delete the game.
Yeah, it's kind of a gay game. A game. Get it? Get it?
Oh, I get it. It's gonna be so fun chopping them up with this good axe.
I
Nothing.
can't wait till I can just start blowing them apart with the fucking shotgun.
Oh, me too. That's gonna be so cool.
We need to get the shovel first, and apparently the shovel is like one of the hardest fucking items in the game to get.
What? What do you use it for? Like, actually you can dig underground or something?
Well, you can dig up certain things. So you have to dig up the shotgun.
Wow. This axe chops off their limbs in like one hit.
Nah, not one hit, but
Oh,
close.
well, a guy attacked me, so another one's attacking me. It cleaved his head off in 2 hits while he was alive. Skin purse.
Holy shit, dude.
What?
So he blocked my attack and it still cut his fucking arm off. But you know what the funny part was? His arm just kind of fell off and it made that noise. I hit him and it goes up, and it just kind of falls off like a fucking broken Lego. Here's one. What are you doing, bud? He's stuck in the ground? Oh, he's supposed to be like a... Haha, gotcha, but you were sticking out of the ground. They supposedly jump out of leaves, but there were no leaves. They were on a fucking rock.
Oh, we got infinite stamina too. Sweet.
Yeah. Haha. Your face meat's gone. Oh.
Hurry, Jim.
So they really like this little lake right here.
Huh. Does that mean we should make camp here and just kill everyone we see?
Not there. We can go out and find them when we want to, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna use fast run so that I can find out where it was.
Is that the whole command, just fast run?
I'm not telling it to you. Because you'll never turn it off.
No, I will. I found it.
What was it?
Speedy run.
I used.
What? Hold on. Speed. Okay, there we go. No, that's not the speedy run thing. It's a little bit faster. What? Hold on. Alright.
They're naked all the time. How come they don't have any privates? Like they don't. It's just smooth like a Barbie doll, dude. Really weird.
Disappointing.
Yeah, I'd really like to be able to cut them up.
I really liked them to have like a fully realistic 3D rendered body that you can actively like rape and
When you were going like 3D realistic body, you know what would be really cool? And I'm actually a little pissed off that more games haven't actually like used this system. This game would be so much cooler with this system. So like Doom Eternal started this thing where you could rig a skeleton, like an actual skeleton of a model. So you had 2 separate models. You had a skeleton model, and then you had the flesh actual model. And whenever you'd hit that model, it would rip chunks of the fucking meat off, showing the skeleton model.
Like Doom Eternal?
Doom Eternal, Doom Eternal had that. And they created a new system just to do that, and I don't see anyone using it.
So sad.
It really is. It's such a cool thing. It'd be perfect for this game.
It really would.
Nathan, imagine hitting fucking Cannibal with your axe and it's shaving part of their face off.
Or imagine like being able to tie the cannibal up and pull them apart bit by bit.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
That would be really fun though. What command
an
did you
animal
use to
camp.
run fast?
I wonder how fast you can get with the Night Bee.
Oh,
The fuck?
well,
Holy shit, dude. So, I found this little camp. So you can set those things loose, huh? It's going after me, even though I'm not the one who tied it up. The giants still have way too much health, and I hate that every single fucking
Oh.
attack knocks you back. Even when they don't fucking hit you, like that guy just did. He didn't even fucking hit me, and yet he still, like, killed me. Like, he still hit me.
huh. So fast, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
Bro, flesh
Jesus.
chair. Oh, probably the worst thing. There seems to be a bug right now,
Yes.
making it, like, impossible to get small rocks in the snow.
Aw.
So if you run out of arrows, and you're in the snow, you're just kind of fucked. Like, there's nothing you can do. That was something important.
What was? I'm turning around.
Fucking damn it. I hate it when they do shit like that.
What?
They have it to where you have to go this super long path to get back up.
Aw.
Oh, it's fucking nothing anyway.
Oh.
Dude, I see what you mean now.
What?
I hit a little bump and just started flying off.
Yeah.
It's like Ark.
Yeah. Oh, Heckalopter.
Where did you find that?
Over here. It's where I am. Got a silencer. And some pistol parts.
Like, that's actually useful, though.
Yes, but if they come running at us, that's better. We can just hack them up. Chop them apart.
Why would the silencer be able to do that?
No, I mean, like, it's better to not have it because that attracts them. God damn, I'm fast.
Still looking for. Okay, well, I'm gone. Bye bye. I just flew up. Like, I flew straight up. I'm good now, though.
Epic.
What the fuck? Why can I not find this place?
It's a mystery.
Well, I actually. Hold on. We're going through this game in ways that the developers never intended. So, like, things are struggling to loading in and shit.
Yeah, hold on, I got my food's ready, my corn dogs.
Oh, your gay little corn dogs. You gonna shove them up your ass?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I didn't make many.
You let me guess 10.
No, 8.
That was literally I was thinking like okay 8 then.
Corn dog, corn dog, corn dog. I think I hear one of them hitting me or something.
Good for you.
Poop doo doo. Looks like I won this
I'm
round.
flying around at the speed of light, dude.
What did you set your speed to?
What do you mean? You can set your speed?
Speedy run number. So it's
I
when you
just put
sprint.
speedy run on.
Oh, I
And it
set it.
didn't go.
When I did speedy run on, it didn't do anything. So, or at least not much. Huh. It failed to activate properly. I set the speed to 9999, and it's you cannot comprehend.
Wait. So
Speedy run 99999. Do 5 nines. Not sure if it's actually making a difference, but
it's not. It's the same thing.
dang it.
Is it the same Hecalopter?
Mayhaps.
Yes, it is. So I just did a fucking circle.
Epic Zords.
Okay. I've said this a million times. Maps that rotate based on your direction are useless.
Yeah.
Let me see if there's an option to change that.
Or no, they work for me, honestly.
No, because then you can't tell north from south.
Oh, yeah. If they have a little north-south whatever on them, then yeah,
This
that
one
works.
does not. This one does not.
Oh, normally they do.
I know. That's why I hate this. It makes no fucking sense. Why would you have it like that unless you intentionally wanted to make it confusing? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I found it. I found it. Oh, I found it. Oh. Oh, jeez. Jim. You're like warping.
I'm a ghoul.
Your little icon is like hovering like ahead of your fucking model. How fast you're going. Alright. Turn it off.
Alright.
You just type in speedy run off.
Epic.
Alright, let's get this poppin'.
A deer. A beautiful doe.
A female deer?
Oh, it ran away. I
Yeah,
couldn't
the
catch
deer
it.
spawn here like fucking crazy. So
Alright, I
I'll be
noticed in your game you had a bigger cabin than in our game, the game we were playing before. How did you do
Yeah,
that?
it's because I'm a master builder and you're a piece of shit and I hate you.
You actually custom built it?
Yeah.
Huh.
Why is it going that way? I didn't fucking cut it that way. You know what? 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 Straight to hell. Straight to hell. Here. Let's make a little cuck cabin, dude.
A what?
Dude, we gotta have a cuck chair in our cabin. It would go
Facing the
perfect.
bed, I mean. Facing the bed.
Huh?
It's gotta be facing the bed.
Yeah. Yeah, we can make them really big. Apparently, they just take a minute.
Huh.
To make. You know what I mean? All right. Tell. Well, you know what? He's kind of useless right now. But say tell Kelvin to start collecting logs, but we can get them so much quicker. Actually, if you want to go ahead and make log holders and have him like move them
Exactly what
over
I was
for us.
about to do.
Yeah, no, the custom building in this game is actually like really well thought of. I don't know why he keeps following me around.
Yeah.
I'm not the host.
Oh, you said to follow you.
No, I didn't. I didn't tell him to do anything.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This axe is great.
Get logs
You know
and
what?
fill holder. Yes.
You know, it's just there's just something about it that it could be better, you know?
Yeah. Should be able to add teeth to it.
Yeah. See, I should be able to get something better. But apparently that's the best axe in the game.
Huh.
If only there was something better.
Yeah. Well, there's a
I could really...
chainsaw later on.
Oh, really? You don't say.
Yeah.
Crazy, dude. Where do you think I can get that chainsaw?
Oh, dude. Probably in a cave. That's where they cut trees down, right?
Nathan,
What?
I've been using the chainsaw the whole time.
No.
Do you not hear it? I'm over here. As I'm going like, oh man, I wish they made a better axe. No, but I'm getting rid of it.
Epic.
I think what I can do is just do remove item chainsaw. Do I still have it? No, I still have it. Damn it. Well, I'll pretend I don't have it for a while.
Alright. And geez, the cannibals were really aggressive on the way here.
What do you mean?
I was attacked like 3 different times. Of course, I chopped them all up with my better axe.
Average. I don't know where you were getting them.
Huh.
Just really hate you.
Yeah.
They know who you are.
They know what I did in the other universe. In
Yeah,
1218.
Down Universe 1218.
Yeah. He thinks he's almost done.
What a nerd. Just make another holder. Fucking evil.
He really is.
Tormenting his special needs hard.
I made you special needs and I can take away your special needs.
Hey, come here. I'm gonna show you a really, really good building technique that you're gonna have to learn. Are you looking?
Hold on. Getting sticks. I gotta build this before he thinks he's done. Oh, damn it. Hey, you think you're done?
I see him shoving the thumbs up in your face.
Get logs and fill holder. You're not done. Alright, what were you saying?
Come here. Look at this. Whoops. I guess it won't let me do that.
Huh.
Well, doesn't matter.
What were you gonna do?
It's this similar thing. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Are you looking?
Yeah.
Do I have them like this?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
The roof is a bitch, though.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it's really confusing.
Huh.
And just sometimes it doesn't work.
Oh.
I had to look up a video on how to play, like, do the fucking roof.
Oh.
That's how fucking weird it was. Poor Kelvin. He thinks he's done.
I'm making
hey,
another,
it's-
don't worry.
It's Whoa, dude, hold on a second. I just found a really funny bug. No. So, if you try to chop the logs, like as you're placing them down, with your GPS out, you just chop it with your GPS. it's beautiful.
Yeah.
You fucking asshole to Kelvin.
He deserves it. Laying around all day.
He's retarded.
Excuses.
He's special needs. He
Um,
got the brain damage. He has the brain rot, dude. You can't fuck him up for that.
I'll give him more brain damage if we don't get to it.
Oh, wait.